Hi everyone and welcome back to automarkets.co. It's Kier speaking again, and today I'm going to teach you how to download MT4 or MetaTrader 4 onto your mobile device. Now bear in mind I am using Android at the minute, but the process is very similar on iOS Apple devices. So you just go to the App Store rather than the Play Store, alright? So go to the App Store, type in MT4, download this one, the one that's got the 3 people and the 4 in the middle. Make sure it's number 4 as well, not number 5. And then once it's downloaded, click open. Should take you to your accounts, manage accounts. Sorry, not manage accounts. So yeah, if it doesn't take you here, you want to click the 3 lines, click manage accounts, which will take you here. Click the plus button, then it should say open a demo account. But by this time, you should already have logged into your broker account with the link I sent you, which should have been IC Markets. You should have also received an email which states your login details for your broker account, for your trading account. And by this stage, you should also have credited that account with some monies. So you click on to log into an existing broker. Now, because I use IC Markets through and through, mine's here, but you might not find it like that. So you have to click find broker, type in IC Markets, and just keep going until it comes up. Now, be aware, because in the email it tells you your server. Now, in the email it might say IC Markets live 1, 2, 3. It goes all the way up to where they are now, 19. Now, bear in mind that it says IC Markets live 19. Here it says EU. So just be aware what it says. Make sure you're reading it word for word, letter for letter. Some of them say SC. So just check out, make sure you're doing the right one. Once you click it, I'm just going to click a random one, then click login, put your details in from the email, password from the email, login, and then your account should say, I'm just going onto a demo account. It should take you to a screen like this, which will tell you how much is in there at the minute. Yes, I'll do demo trading because no matter how long you're a trader, it's always good to demo as well, so you know you're practicing as well. You always practice new strategies on demo accounts until you're confident with them, and then you backtest them on even more, and then you go live on a smaller account and then build your way up, unless you've got the funds to waste, but that's entirely up to you. But yeah, so that's how you get onto MT4. Brilliant. That's the end of this, guys. I was actually thinking of something else to say, but that's all. So let's finish and wrap it up there. Take care. See you in the next one.